Hi all, it's me, Rob again. Today it's time to compare the RCBS and the Frankford Intellidropper automatic trickle system. I think they're both great, but let's try and see some difference in the way they work. Let's start with the Frankford Intellidropper. Let's see if we can calibrate them. It's asking for the 50 gram or grain, I don't know. Put it in the middle as centered as possible. And when it says stable, like it is at this moment, you hit the calibration again. It's asking for the 100. Stable again. Press calibrate again. Let's see if it will pass. It will pass. Great. Now we have the power calibration button, and it will start putting some powder and will measure how much it will give. Try again. There we go. It will trickle it slow, fast, real slow. And it's okay. So at this moment it has learned how much powder it will give when it's going fast or slow or whatever. And it's almost ready. Let's zero it again. I want 4.6 grain. And I can choose from the manual or the auto mode. I'm going for the auto. So when I push the start button, it will give, supposed to give 4.6 grain. .6 stable. I'm filling up bullet by bullet, and you see when you put the pen back, it will start in the auto mode by filling up the next one. So you can just pick one, fill it up, put it back, start again, and you can finish this bullet. So it's almost impossible to get an empty one or one with a double load. I'm just doing 5. I think I've done about 350 or 400 yesterday, and he didn't miss one. They were all perfect. This is my last one with the Frankfurt. So time to make room for the RCBS. It's the Chargemaster 1500. It says on this side, I believe it. So, made some room. The RCBS Chargemaster 1500. Let's start from 0. You put it on, it will count down 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we have to calibrate it. It's already stable. It's been on for about 30 minutes or so. Same with the Frankfurt, was also on for a long time. Now we have to calibrate it. And it's going to ask for the 50. So put it in the middle as much as possible. Hit cal again. It asks for the 100, so we put another 50 on top. Hit calibration again. And it says 100. Put the pen on it and 0 it. And now it's ready to go. I'm going for 4.6. Dispense. First time it has to fill up the tube, so it will take a little longer. I'll speed this up. And it's 4.6. It's got a counter, says this is number 1. And here we have number 2. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's just filled like it's supposed to. And I'm doing bullet by bullet, like I said before. So I don't want a double load or an empty one. And I check every one by the coach. .6. .5. So they both work like they should. Pretty accurate. Easy to handle. With the RCBS, it's also possible to use a memory. So when you say you have the 9mm on the number 1, the 38 Special, number 2, 357 Magnum, number etc. I think it's just as easy to just enter the numbers you have to use, when you will use. Four 4.5, 4.6. My dog is barking. So let's see how fast it will go to fill up at 308. For this example, I'm going to, let's see, 39.7 grain. Let's see. .7 grain. And let's hit another one. My dog is barking again. .6. It's very precise. 39.7. There we have the bleep. And another one. I think it's a bit faster than the Frankford Arsenal, but with both I don't have any under or overweight. It's pretty fast. No, that's not correct. I think with the Frankfurt, with the 357, I had about every 200, 250 I had one overweight. But yeah, so we put it back, do it again. I don't think it's a really big problem. It goes really fast, it's accurate. I've checked the weights on different scales and they both doing a great job. Any pros or cons? To empty the can with the RCBS, you have a wheel on the side and it's very easy to empty the can. With the Frankfurt you have to turn some kind of a tube a bit. Be careful, it can be a mess. And with the RCBS it's pretty simple. So with both, I like them a lot. I'm not sure which one is my favorite. I know I'm going to sell one because one should be enough. And I have, yeah, they're both working great, so I'm not sure. If you have any questions, just let me know below in the comment section. And if you have any ideas for a next video or whatever, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.